roll record. And go for Sharon. And go for Sharon. Where's Sharon? Where is she? Anyone see Sharon? Sharon.
Jingle jangle for my stylist for making me look good, for my stage manager for pumping up the crowd. Jingle jangle, jingle jangle, jingle jangle. Da, da. Aha, gotcha. Thank you for giving us power and also for not tripping me sometimes. And there you are. Yes, jingle jangle. Thank you for always seeing my good side. And now, oh, Renee. Where's Renee? Renee? Oh. It's snowing, Renee! I love it! Are you Renee, that's awesome! I'm gonna put your present down here. Thank you! It's snowing. Love it. Happy. Teleprompter, getting my words right, some of them anyway. Microphone, thanks for turning me on. What?
The show!
Now?
Yes, Ohio's waiting.
Okay. Going. Hi, you guys. I hope you are having such a great time, having some great holidays here. This is awesome.
Sharon.
What?
The hat.
Yeah, well, it's festive. Oh, come on, I have to take it off?
Sharon.
Oh, shoot. Well, okay, how about elf beard?
Sharon.
Okay, never mind. Happy holidays to all of you guys who are right here in our studio, and of course, to you who are watching at home. I have to tell you, the energy in this room, pretty amazing, as 8 new contestants get ready to play for their shot at $50,000 and possibly a whole lot more. So right now, it's time to meet them. Come on. Carol from Tampa, Florida tackles the big board first. Robin from Columbus. Greg from Elyria. And George from Ripley. Cheer 'em on, Ohio. Okay, players, as we get started here, now, of course, you know you're here to make some awesome memories, but you are also here to make some great money, right? Of course. I'm going to give you a teeny tiny reminder that on that board, there is also a huge 55-inch HD TV that you could also take home. Not only could you have all that cash, but on top of it, you could have that lovely TV. Carol, get ready to look for those goodies because it's time to grab that cash. Your first turn. You are in the N column. H. The H. A double right off the bat, Carol. So explosion lights up. We cycle it around. Hit your button when you feel lucky. And hit the button again. Now we are going to double what is behind that E. So yes, that first turn was worth $4,400. Robin, first turn at the board for you. Here we go right now. L column for you.
I have the A.
The A. $3,500. Greg is already ready, so I'm gonna let you go in the board right now. You're in the L column, Greg.
The C.
The C. $2,200. George, you wrap up our first turn for us, so here the board goes for you. And you are in the L column.
S.
The S. $2,500. So at the end of that first turn, Carol over there with $4,400 is our leader. Greg, I'm coming back over to you with $2,200. You ready to go?
Oh, yeah.
Let's do it right now. Here you go. You're in the N column.
The A.
The A. $2,000 for you. George, just so easy hitting that button, getting that money. And N column for you.
C.
The C. $2,900. Carol, you are actually here from Florida, yes?
Yes.
And you're playing for?
My brother.
Your brother, who is right over there. Wave, brother. It's Frank, right?
Yes.
Brother Frank. Well, I think that's pretty nice. It is kind of the holiday season, so you expecting a little payout, maybe?
Big payout.
Oh, big payout. Sorry, Frank. Okay, let's see if we can win a whole lot then, all right? And it's the elk. Well, that's a pretty easy choice.
H.
Let's see what we've got. Wow. Can't complain. complain about that choice. Here goes explosion. You're gonna hit that button. Now we're gonna double what's behind the P. Whoa! Whoa! That turn was worth $7,000.
Oh my God.
Enough to split, I might add. Okay. Robin, you have some plans for your money, trying to finish up some work that you're doing on your property there.
Building our house.
Building a house and a barn and everything else,
Yep,
right?
yep.
Shooey, that's expensive.
Yes, it is.
Especially this time of year. So let's
Yes.
see how you do on that second turn around the board. You're in the O column.
S.
The S. $3,000 for you. Okay. I have to tell you, we're only 2 turns in. Cash totals are just growing all over the place. Carol over here, yeah, she's got the lead. We're going into our last turn, but you know what? You better stay there, because you're going to have to help me watch and see if she holds on to that. Be right back. Welcome back. Having a great time, giving away lots of money. We have 4 game changers left, so I have to tell you, Greg, you know, there is still time. Get those doubles. TV would be nice. Bonus box would be nice. Yeah, get ready to grab stuff off the board. You're ready, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
You're just smiling and ready. All right. It's our last turn around the board for you this time. The I column.
The A.
The A. $2,000 on that time around. George, help us find some of these bonus bucks up here. You're in the N column. Boy, that's an easy
S.
choice. Yes, let's do the S. $5,000. You gotta love that. Carol, you had the lead. This is your last turn around the board. She's feeling it. She's ready.
I'm ready.
E column for you. C for Carol. All right, C for Carol. $3,200. Robin, you are going to do it. This is see how you're going to end the game right now. And it's the P column.
H.
The H. $3,100. Awesome amount of money for everybody. But the winner at the end of our game, Carol! Yes!
Oh my God!
Oh my God! You are going to the cash challenge!
Yay, Frank!
Yay, Frank!
Yay to my brother!
Congratulations!
He's the greatest brother!
Oh, good for you! Congratulations, Carol! You are so welcome!
Thank you.
You're very welcome. You won our game, Carol, with $14,600. It is the holiday season, and we do this all the time. We are doubling it to $29,200. And you're
you.
going to the cash challenge.
I love Cash Explosion!
So I'm wondering if winning $29,200 was on Carol's wish list for this year. I want to take a break. You practice saying that, and we'll come back and do it all over again.
I love Cash Explosion. I do watch it even though I live in Florida. And I make my sister buy me tickets. Happy, I'm like ecstatic. Forget the happiness. I am like so happy.
Cash Explosion instant tickets have multiple ways to win, including a $5,000 instant win. And if you scratch to find entry 3 times, you can enter a drawing for a spot on the biggest money grab on TV. Enter online or through the mail, and if you're selected as a contestant, your name will be announced live one Saturday night. Do you have your tickets this week, Ohio? You've gotta get on this show. Who else is here to win? It's Rose from Twinsburg, Joanna from Cincinnati, Phil from Girard, and finally, Andy from Millersburg. Wish them luck. Welcome back to Cash Explosion. Having pretty much fun in here tonight. I personally cannot think of a better stocking stuffer than that big old wad of cold hard cash just stuffed down in there. And I think we're going to give you the opportunity to go after that money right now. Rose, you get to go first. Let's go grab that cash. You are in the P column.
H.
The H. $3,200. Joanna, money time. L column for you. C. The C. $3,300 for you. Phil, Phil, it's your turn right now. And it's the S column for you.
The A.
The A. $3,500. All in the 3,000 so far. No pressure though, Andy. Here you go with your first turn. O column.
Give me the A.
The A. $2,900. All of these winners up here have already put some cash in their pockets, but you have got to stay right there. This game's going to heat up because why? You're watching Cash Explosion. That's why. And we are back, going into our second turn. Andy, we are going to start off with you on our second turn. You have $2,900 right now. I am guessing you're not the only Andy Yoder in Millersburg, right?
No.
How did you finally figure out that it was you, that you were the right Andy?
I had the hunch. I knew it was me.
You did?
Yeah. Nobody else believed me.
They didn't?
No.
Not even your family?
Not even my wife.
That's raw.
That is.
I wouldn't give her any of this if I were you. I'm kidding. Is she here?
Yeah.
Okay, no, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Anyway. But it is the right Andy.
It is.
And you have got $2,900. You're ready to go into your second turn. I'm going to remind you, TV, bonus box, take a turn right now, Andy. There you are, E column.
Give me the H. The H.
The H. There you go. That's one of those extras we like. Explosion is on fire. You hit that button. Now we're going to double what's behind that P. Yes! That was a beautiful turn. $6,400 going in there. Rose, you have some very sweet friends up there. I'm not sure if everybody can see this. Up in the audience, there are people that have shirts on that say Rose's Bud. Yeah.
My buddies.
Yeah, they're your buddies?
They are.
Are you sharing with your buddies?
Sure, why not?
You guys have so many witnesses. Yeah. Let's go have some money fun right now, Rose. There you are in the O column.
S.
The S. That is money fun because it's a double. Of course, you know Explosion lights up. We cycle it around. And now we're doing the fun part. Let's see what we are going to double. We're going to take that $2,000, flip it right over, and make it into $4,000. I already know that you are having a fabulous time.
I'm loving this.
You were dancing, tapping the podium up here. How many tickets did it take you to get here?
Just one.
That would be the one. That would be the one. So we already have $3,300. So that's a pretty huge payout. So we're not even done yet. We're just ready for your second turn. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. O column.
H.
The H. $2,900 on that turn. Phil, it's your turn to get more money. Can you believe it?
Yep.
All right. Well, since you do, let's just do it. And you're in the O column.
The H.
The H. $4,000. That ends our second turn. So that means for all of you guys standing up here, we are going into the third one, which is what? Game changer turn. So those doubles can make a whole lot of difference. Andy, you have the lead right now with $9,300. I am coming back over to Joanna. We're going to start off our third turn. Her hand is ready. And I might add to you, those of you who can't see, she's shaking a whole bunch. Here we go, Joanna. S column.
S.
The S. It's $2,000. Phil, let's do it. Hit that button. Win some money. It's the L column. And you have the chance of a game changer in there.
I'll take the A.
She would like the A. Oh, wow. That was the time to get it. It's that last turn. Here we go. Explosions lighten up. It's on fire. Hit that button. Now we're doubling. What is behind that X? $5,000.
Oh my God.
We just put $10,000 into your game total. Oh my gosh. Phil and I need to take a break, so that's what we're gonna do. You come back, and we're just gonna gather our breath. We'll take our last 2 turns. See you after the break. Cash Explosion fans are opening their hearts this holiday season with food donations for our Ohio families. Last month, we broke a monthly record, collecting more than ever before. Audience members who bring 10 non-perishable food items to our episode tapings will be entered into drawings for Visa gift cards, win prizes, and help Ohioans in need. It's a winning combination. Okay. We're all back up on our feet. We're ready to finish the game. Andy, we have you and Rose left to look at the goodies up there on the board. You ready?
Ready.
All right. And it's the O column for you.
I'll take the A.
The A. You just added another $2,500 in there. Rose, you're going to finish up our game for us. You ready?
All right, I'm ready.
She's ready. We're ready. And it's the L column for you.
H.
H. $1,500. We are done. We have a winner, and that winner is Phil. She's going to the cash challenge. Congratulations. Oh, my goodness. She's happy. She's happy. Phil, you won that game with $17,500. This is going to be phenomenal when we double it. I can't even do the math, but it's $35,000 and a trip to the cash challenge. Yes, congratulations. This is the time where you go out to the kitchen, get that extra glass of eggnog. I'm not gonna, because I don't like it, but come right back, because we're going to find a champion when we get back. Coming your way live from the Ohio Lottery's Cleveland studios, it's time for tonight's winning numbers and winners of a spot on the February 11th Cash Explosion Show. Good luck, players. Welcome back to Cash Explosion's Columbus Studios, and welcome to tonight's Cash Challenge. So, players, as soon as one of your names is revealed on that board 3 times, we're going to have tonight's champion. Eddie, you are our defending champion, so you get to choose a square first. Which number do you want to start with?
6.
Number 6. And that gives us another $10,000 in your bank. Coming over to you, Carol, first choice.
10.
Number 10 for Carol. And Carol finds $5,000. Wow. Maybe we're going to get him off the board early. Phil.
Number 11.
Number 11 for Phil. And Phil finds her own name. Even better. Eddie, we are coming back to you.
9.
Number 9. He hopes it's his name. It is Carol's. Carol, you're on the board. Where do you want to go next?
12.
Number 12 for Carol. Oh. Okay. Carol's the first name that we see twice, so choose carefully, Phil.
8.
Number 8 for Phil. Money? Her name? What is it? It is Eddie's name. Eddie says he's already looking for that other $50,000 up there, so now it's your turn.
1.
Number 1. And number 1 is going to give us another $10,000 in bonus bucks. Wow. Just piling up the cash. Carol, all our bonus bucks are gone. So it's going to be names from here on out.
7.
She's hoping. Let's see what's behind number 7. It is Phil. Phil, if you pick the right number, this could be worth $50,000, Phil. Which number do you want?
Number 2.
Okay, Phil is going with number 2, and let's see what is behind number 2. Another surprising win. Oh my goodness, Phil Quinn Gerard is tonight's champion. $50,000 prize is going to go home with her. She's going to keep playing for more Cash Explosion cash. We have been having so much fun, and I would like to say from all of us here at Cash Explosion, we so wish you a safe and happy holiday, Ohio. David's back here having the fun next Saturday. More winning. Good night and good luck, Ohio. You're a champion. That's awesome. We crossed off bucket list items, we made dreams come true, and we gave away a collective cash total of $159,100. So experience this for yourself. Get your tickets and get on this show.